Yo! Nice! It's another day with the flow rider.
Yeah, we've got a couple of this.
Yeah, it's good. Let's see how many cameras we can strap on his head. Wow, that's nice. Yep, that's what the 19-year-olds are for. Yesterday I was mountain biking for like 6 hours. Woo! And today I'm skiing for like 6 hours.
It didn't, underneath, it's still a bit like, the new snow is cold, but the old snow is like...
Yeah. Where are you going? Down to the bite?
Yeah, let's go under the chair maybe. That'll be good. Ready?
Sure. Whew. Oh. Oh, it's mogully under there. Oh, it's rough under there for me. Oh. I'm going over to the blue line. Those moguls are too much for me. For me, those lumpy spots don't work. I need smooth. And this should have been groomed, so. Woo! Maybe not, but definitely I can at least ski this. Woo! It's still a bit lumpy, but better than that lumpy.
That was really good, right?
Yeah, but it's too lumpy for me. That was nice. Should be able to get an epic. Only a couple people touched this little bit here. Run. Smooth groom pow. It's like my favorite. Woo! Oh, that was worth it to me. Woo! Oh, that's so nice. Oh, that was so nice there. Doesn't it look beautiful over there?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, that was so good.
It's so easy, guys. Get up. You hike?
Woo! Woohoo!
Your pit zips are open. Yup. Before snow. That was like 40 minutes.
Oh, how'd you like that one? Oh, this chair, man. That's so brutal, eh? Woo! Oh, I can't see. Woo! Oh, that's good. Huh. Oh, there goes a bomb. They're getting some results. All right, well, I've never waited at Spanky's ever. Hey, I've never waited at Spanky's before.
They said 20-25 minutes.
Yeah, I've never waited here. Like, this is my first ever Spanky's wait. Well, just hanging out here at Spanky's. Is this Whistler?
No.
Look at who's here.
Where are we? This is
Look
Rebel
at, there's a
stuff.
Whistler ski bum up there.
Yeah.
Look it. No, he's not listening.
Creekside crew on tour.
Are those the one?
Whew. You. Oh, it's been bombed. Woo. Wow. Oh, and it's Shmoo here now. Oh, it wasn't worth the wait. It's all Shmoo. Oh, it's all Shmoo, man. Dude, everything. Where are you going? Bad attitude? You think? It's Shmoo. The only thing that's going to be a bit sketch. Oh, people already went. All right, haven't done bad attitude this year yet. Whoa! Oh, that was sketch. Oh man, this is probably the sketchiest I've ever come over here. Wow. All right, Ryder 360, sketch video. Oh, dude, that was the sketchiest I've ever come over here. But the 360 video is gonna be sick. It's so schmooed out.
Well, this got hit by the sun in the spring.
Yeah. Whoa! Is that thing still running?
Yep. Stop it?
No, I don't know. Just leave it. Just ski whatever you're gonna ski now. I'm gonna go in and just do whatever I do. This is all gonna slide on me. Whew. Whoa! Oh, he just goes. So nice. Woo! Oh! Oh, it's freaking heavy. You warm now? Where are you coming off, Ryder? Ryder! You know that's a big cliff there, right? All right. Oh, it's so heavy. Ooh. Oh. High speed. Okay, good turns here. Woo. I didn't realize you wanted to go way down there to do your slash. Or would have went way down there. But man, I didn't know you, I thought you knew you were over all that rock.